click on sign in. Guys, do along with me so that it becomes easier for you as well. Okay, then in tools and settings, we will click on keyword planner. Okay, then discover new ideas. Let's do research for any of your business. Let's do it for your business, Aditya. Let's it become easier for me. One of your products, not each product. Which product you want, Aditya? We should do a keyword research.
Take the basic one, say home loan only, home loan.
Any recommendation? Yeah.
Yeah.
Which one? Sorry.
Yeah, home loan. You can take home loan or loaning as property, whichever.
Home loans or loans against property.
Okay,
Home
let's try
loans,
loan
let's
against.
say.
No.
Let's take home loans.
Hmm.
Okay. So this is your product, that is home loan. Okay. So let's do.
This is the same process which we learned in AdWords. I mean, same.
No, it will be a completely
process.
different process. Okay. Guys, it's for everyone that the process which we learned in Google AdWords for research is altogether different from what the process we are using here. Before I start the keyword research, you should take down 2 points. The first point is that keyword research is done primarily for one product page. You can't do a keyword research for all the pages in a single go. Like in Google AdWords, we used to do a keyword research for multiple products, but here we don't do
मैं भी
that.
कर रहा हूँ तेरे को 15 मिनट में करूँगा.
Okay. Aditya, we can hear you. Can you mute, please?
Yeah. Okay, sorry. अच्छा, just.
Okay. So keep a note of it. Now, in your research panel, do you see numbers? No. You will see a range like home loan, you will see 10K to 100K number will be written. As I have told you earlier as well, that this is because once you start spending, you will get this option of ranges. Now you have to look. There are 421 keywords. Okay, we will not analyze all the keywords here. We found out the keywords. Okay, home loan or home loans. We will download all the keyword ideas. Okay, the first part is done. That is search. So we found out all the keywords from Google. Now let's delete the irrelevant columns over here. So what are the relevant columns for us? There are two columns which are relevant for us. The first column is keyword and second column is monthly searches. Rest of the columns are irrelevant for us, so we will delete them. Okay, the top two rows were also irrelevant, so we remove that as well. Okay, so now this this is what we got is keywords. Okay, now total number of keywords, if you look at, is 421. Okay, it's huge. You can't read each and every keyword again one by one and find it out. It's going to be really, really difficult. So what we should do is we should apply certain filters. Let's say as our product is home loan, so it should contain home at least, that we are sure. Okay, home or maybe house also. Okay, home or house loan generally people type. Okay, so let's find it out. So these are the keywords which are left who has home in it. Okay, so what we will do is we will copy these keywords in another sheet. Give me a second. This is primarily to identify and remove irrelevant keywords. Okay, I copied it. And now if I go, don't paste it directly, paste it, paste special and how to paste. Give me a second. Aditya, I will take your question. Please hold it. Okay. Go to special and only visible cells. You have to paste it over here. No, it was, give me a second. Okay. Okay. Instead of some 400 words, you got 240, 250 words. At least you avoided another 100, 150 keywords. Okay. Maybe even after that, you will see a lot of keywords which are relevant to you. Still, you can have a one look to it, not more than that. Okay, you can have a look to it, but again, it's irrelevant because like some keywords which you might have not thought, housing, okay, construction. So let's find out those keywords as well. Okay, so always try to identify loan for plot, loan for property. These are certain keywords which we didn't take in account, but that are necessary. Okay, so we'll go again on it or property. Whichever suits to you. Let's suppose in Aditya's case, he does not give a loan on, let's assume, what should I assume? Let's assume he does not give a loan on.
Personal loans and auto loans we don't do.
Sorry?
Personal loans or auto loans.
That is a different product, I believe.
Yeah, that's a different product.
That's a different product, so we will not take that in account. As I said, we will do product-wise searches. We will not do all the searches in a single. Okay, so we copied. Now another 50, 70 keywords we add. 30, 50 keywords we added. We remove that and then remove the text filter also. Okay, again set some filter for blank. Okay, again you have a overlook. Like if you don't provide any loans to property, okay, you can avoid that. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Okay, that is also something you can have a look. If you don't provide that, remove that. Mortgage, I believe, is a separate category in his website. That is loan against property. So for that, you can use a different, that is a different product. So you will do it. Uh, you will create another page for that. Similarly, you will do a keyword research again for that. So out of 450 keywords, we came to some 200 keywords which might be relevant. Still, we have not identified whether they are really relevant or not. Let's delete rest of the words. Okay. Now, here also, like home mortgage loan is not a relevant keyword. Home improvement loans, I'm not sure is a relevant word or not. Home credit cash loan is relevant or not specifically to this product. Maybe relevant to some other product also, but is it relevant to this specific product or not? Okay. For that, what we have to do, we can't again go into 300 words again and again. So we have to set up some criteria so that we can avoid looking at again 300 words or 290 words. How to do that is define the look at the keywords uh, based on monthly searches. So the data which we got from Google is average monthly searches. Okay, so what we will do is we will apply a filter. Okay, a basic filter in Excel. Then arrange them from largest to smallest. Oh, sorry. Okay, and then take a sum of it. If I go down, 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 down. Okay, I see over here, if you look at on my screen, the average, the sum of this, all the searches is 9,76,670. Okay, how much? Almost 10 lakh. Okay, if I go on the top, if you look at first 3, 4, 5 keywords, they are almost equivalent to 10% or more. Correct. So they are taking the median, the average of 3,000. They are taking the median to a average to a next level, increasing the average because their total sum, if you look at instead, okay, of the first 3 or first 5, you look at is almost half of the total sum. So it is taking the average to next level, which is 33,000. Sorry, 3,300 or something. So that is not a right way to look at. So we will, whenever we are doing selection of keywords, we always keep in mind that we should not, while calculating the average monthly searches, we should avoid such keywords who has searches more than 10% of the total or very close to it. Like in this case, the average 10% of those 10 lakh is around 1 lakh. So these are the 4 keywords who are very close to it. Okay, now if you look at the average is 1800, and earlier when we calculated along with these five keywords, then the average was coming around somewhere near 3300, 3400. So it's taking average, it's doubling of the average, which is not right. Okay, it will be very unfair to other set of keywords. So to avoid that, what we should do is we should not take things in account like this. So we will take average as 873 instead of 3300. Is that point clear to everyone? Okay, Tanya says one. Uday says one. Okay, Sudhanshu, I believe it's clear then. So now the keywords which are below than the average, what we will do with them is we will mark them as not highly relevant keyword. The reason we will not take them in the keyword research ahead, because of a very simple reason that if we try to optimize them, we will get a lesser result in comparison to the other keywords. So that's why we will not consider them. So how to apply a filter is instead of even 1800, you can take down it to 1600 also, because a lot of keywords, 10, 12 keywords are coming under that bracket. Okay. For rest of the keywords, what you will do them is right now hiding them. Okay. Let's first of all mark them red and then hide them. Okay. Never delete them. Okay. Why never delete them is that in future, if you find out that these keywords are not working, then what will be the other set of keywords that can work for you? Okay, now if you look at with this average method, what we came to is now instead of 450 keywords, we have just 80 keywords left with us. That makes our task easier. Now, one by one, we can read which are relevant keywords, which are not. Hello? Okay, fine. Okay, so this is a process of shortlisting that makes your task a little easier, because otherwise, if I have gone to each keyword, it would take me around more than 2 hours to reach each keyword, find out is it relevant or not. Okay, and things like that. To avoid that, we use this shortcut. Okay, and sometimes the shortcut doesn't work also. Okay, next is relevancy. Which keywords are relevant? We will try to identify them over here. That home loan HDFC, is it relevant? Yes. Home loans, yes. From home loan from SBI, yes. I'm not sure. Aditya could tell us better. Yeah, Aditya, go ahead.
Yeah.
Ask your doubt, please.
Okay, my doubt was like when we search, it is showing us minimum and maximum search volume. So I mean, since we don't have the average, how do we do this thing?
This is you have to. The alternative to this is you start spending money on Google AdWords. One alternative, and second alternative is you can buy a tool called SEMrush. Okay, so it gives you a free trial of 7 days. Take a trial, find out all the keywords in a single day, and close the account. Okay, simple free trial, free thing for everyone. That I used to do it like earlier, but one more thing, then one trial. Okay, one of the sites was giving a 60 days trial. I'm missing his link, but he was giving like a 2 month trial. Okay, just try to find out that, so that instead of 3 months, you can, instead of 30 days, you can take a trial of 60 days. You can find out that link that gives you a trial of 60 days. Yeah,
Okay.
this one was the link. So instead of 7 days trial, you get a 90 days trial. Okay, I'm not sure whether it will take me to that page. No. Even 30 days trial you're not getting. Okay, try to find out that 30 days or 60 days trial are also available on certain links. You have to go and check it out, so you can take that trial. Okay, next is one by one you have to identify which keywords are relevant for you. Now, one thing, if I'm looking at your website that says there is home loan. Okay. Another pages is your partner bank where I see HDFC home loan. Okay.
This is under making, but you can open Axis Bank, banking partner Axis.
So over here, what you see is details about it. So when you have a separate page for Access Home Loan or HDFC Home Loan, you don't add HDFC, SBI keywords over here. I tell you a simple reason why. Because you have a dedicated pages for each of the product. Now we consider home loan HDFC as a specific product. Okay, I'm considering it as a very specific product. So you have a dedicated page already. So the chances of that page ranking will be higher in comparison to a common page which is just talking about home loan. So try to avoid brand names over here. So what I will do is, again, I will apply a filter that will say
contains HDFC.
Contains HDFC or contains SBI. Primarily, these are the two banks. Okay.
So what you're saying is it is good to have bank specific pages on the website, and since you have that, so you need not include them in your keyword list.
Correct.
Okay. But is it, while writing the content for these pages like HDFC Home Loan or SBI Home Loan, do we have to use these exact words, home loan, HDFC, in this order only?
That I will tell you. That I will tell you in off-page, on-page optimization.
Okay.
Okay. So I removed the HDFC keywords and SBI keywords. Let's again put a filter and